Squid. I'm the center director here at the Bird 4-H Center. And Nikki and I, say hi, Nikki.
Hi!
Nikki and I are going to do squid dissection for y'all today in our Tuesdays on Tybee, unfortunately happening Wednesday.
I wanted to highlight the specific organism we'll be dissecting today. We will be dissecting the Pacific brief squid. So we have Atlantic brief squid out in our oceans, and if you went over to the Pacific Ocean, you could find these guys. These are good dissection organisms because they're a little bit bigger than our Atlantic brief squid.
Before we begin our squid dissection, we are going to talk about external anatomy. What does external mean?
Outside.
Great. What does internal mean?
Inside.
Good. Before we get further into internal anatomy, what I want you to do, Mr. Bossman, is I want you to spread out your squid's fins like this, and then I want you to spread out your tentacles and arms. So,
Tentacles and arms?
yes.
I thought they just had tentacles. 8 chunky arms and 2 skinny tentacles.
We're going to get into the internal anatomy. I see you're kind of already
I see the beak.
getting there. Yeah, so there are 3 hard parts of a squid. What we're going to do to get the beak is you're going to flip your squid like this. Okay, so it's kind of like a banana.
Yep.
And then, like a pimple, what you're going to do is you're going to squeeze very gently until you can pop the beak out. And there are 2 parts of the beak. So there's the top and bottom part.
Ew!
Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And then you're going to try to pull the esophagus out with the beak. Oh, and I did not. So I've got one part. Oh, you got it. You got it.
It's kind of gross, y'all. But this is biology.
It's fun.
Beak parts from inside the squid.
Yay. You cut the eyes and the tentacles and arms away from this top part, which is called the mantle.
So leave the insides in the squid.
Yep. So see what? So 2 parts. Boop.
Uh,
What I'd do if I were you is I'd pull from the bottom. You can even flip it over like this. And you pull.
oh, I feel the pen. This is the pen, right?
Yeah, it's the pin.
Boom!
Yeah, yours came out really nice.
That just came out from inside the squid body.
Whoa.
And it is the only, well, not the only, but the main hard part that makes up the squid internal skeleton, which it really doesn't have much to speak of.
Yeah, so if we were to compare it to humans, we have our vertebrae and backbones, and squid have this pin. At the very top of the squid are the gonads, and these are white, and this means it's a male squid. And then over here, if you look at pulse squid, it's a little bit yellower, kind of more applesaucey. So this is a female squid. And then if you look right here, this is the ink sac.
Fun fact, squids can bioluminesce, just like my hat. More tentacle work.
We mentioned the eyes.
Yeah.
This is my favorite part. So all you're gonna do for the eyes, you can feel the lens in there, and their lenses are spherical to help them see. And
Not sure how I feel about cutting open an eyeball.
you're tough. So it's this teeny tiny lens. Can you see it?
Oh, I got something hard in my eyeball.
Yeah, it's probably the lens.
It's a BB.
Yeah.
That's the lens?
Uh-huh. Super small.
That's a squid lens.
And there's 2 eyes, Paul.
Fun fact, squid have 3 hearts. 2 at their gills, and then 1 in the main body. Thanks for joining us for Tuesday on Tybee. Hope you enjoyed it. We did.